Before the invention of electricity, there was a space clock, a clock that opened a different compartment of spaces each hour so that people waking in the night could taste the time before going back to sleep. Once upon a time, the canna indica seed and peppercorns were used as shotgun pellets. Ancient Greeks and Romans thought basil would only grow if you screamed wild curses and shouted while sowing the seeds. Thank you. Coriander, which are the seeds of the plant, are used in the same types of dishes as cilantro. But coriander does have one unique use. It is one of the ingredients in a German beer known as white beer. The beer is popular in the summertime in Germany, and lately some fruit-flavored variations have sprung up in Belgium and Holland. Safe herbs for common complaints: aching joints, chervil, coriander, thyme. Antibacterial, antiseptic: calendula, lavender, lovage, marjoram, oregano, peppermint. Bad breath: anise, mint, parsley, sweet cecily. Broken heart: viola. Constipation: dandelion, fennel. Flatulence: bee balm, caraway, coriander, ginger, lemon balm, lovage, peppermint, summer savory. Phrasal nerves: chamomile, dill, goldenrod, lavender, lemon balm. The company upcycles used shipping containers and turns them into small hydroponic farms. Its first product, the leafy green machine, can grow herb, lettuce, and brassica varieties. The units, which cost $70,000, use nutrient-dense water instead of soil and LED lights in place of the sun. A high-tech irrigation system circulates the water through narrow troughs on the floor and sides of the container, where plants can grow from the seed stage until they are ready to eat. Red and blue lights automatically cycle on and off to stimulate day and night. Now let us see some recipes, which are also fast healing treatments. They are so easy, it is almost silly to call them recipes. But here is how to cook up relief for a variety of problems. Insect bites: crush a plantain leaf, apply it to a bite or sting, and rub gently. Burns: cut an aloe vera leaf and apply the gel that comes out to the burn. Itch relief: boil quarter cup dried chickweed or half cup fresh chickweed in 1 cup of water. Strain the liquid, refrigerate it and apply it to the itchy area. Cuts and scrapes. Boil 1 tablespoon dried calendula or 2 tablespoons fresh calendula blossoms in 1 cup of water. Steep covered for 15 minutes and let it cool to lukewarm. Apply to minor cuts for its antibacterial properties. Stuffy sinuses. Sniff a freshly broken root of horseradish. Upset stomach. Brew some peppermint tea to settle an iffy stomach. I wanted to add a few words about rosemary. Long ago, people used to send little cord bouquets of herbs and flowers called tessemercies. These small bouquets were made by a person using flowers and herbs that had meaning, and the recipient would decode the message by seeing what flowers and herbs were included. People often included rosemary in the tessemercies as a symbol of remembrance, thus the phrase rosemary for remembrance. It is a sort of play on words since rosemary even long ago seemed and evidently is now being proven to provoke memory. Thank you.